So you possibly been thinking about starting rock climbing. You've probably seen a lot of videos now that it's in like the Olympics and stuff like that. And you're probably wondering like, how do I start? It probably looks too hard. But I am a beginner. I have only been coming for this gym for about a month, give or take. And I will be sharing some of my things that I learned so far with you guys. So we can go from this. Alright guys, so tip number one that I'm gonna give you is obviously to find a gym. But here's the thing, there's a lot of different gyms. Well, they're pretty much the same thing because they're all rock climbing. But here's the thing, there are different ones because they're different styles. So you have like the big company ones, for example, like High Point or some other ones. And then you're gonna have your local ones. The one that we're at right now, it's called Memphis Rocks. And it's basically a non-profit. It's a lot more affordable. It's a community oriented. And it's a better environment. Whereas if you go to like something like High Point, it's more like, it's not as beginner, it's not as friendly, it's not as welcoming as other places like this. So tip number two, you're gonna start climbing with your legs more than with your arms. Because as you can see here, if I try to just climb in my hands, I waste a lot of energy, I'm tired. And honestly, you can probably hurt yourself too. What you should do instead is, you can even forget about some answer. Try to climb with your feet as much as possible. It'll get you a lot further. Alright, so tip number three is, first day that you're here or at any gym working out, please limit yourself. I made the mistake the first time that I came to a rock climbing gym. I was here for 5 hours. Guys, I could not come back for 2 weeks because I overworked myself completely. So whenever you do decide to come here, make sure to limit how long you're here for the love of God. You're gonna hurt yourself the way I did. So please limit yourself so you don't end up like me having to wear this every single time I work out. Tip number four, be a friend and bring a friend. A lot of the people that are here, if you're ever struggling with one, a lot of people are gonna just help you out straight up if you ask them. Most of them are just not gonna come up to you and be like, hey, do you need help? But if you need help with something, just ask somebody. 9 times out of 10, they'll show you straight up if they're better. But just be a friend, don't be mean. Most people here are really nice, most rock climbing gyms. Yeah. I don't have enough, like, just gonna jump. Yeah. Imagine it go up for you too. But go inside your hips, oh my god. I think after like 2 sessions, I saw it once. You're not gonna get all of them. That's the sad reality. You're probably not gonna be able to do much at so you're probably gonna be able to do the basic ones, and that's it. Unless you're like really strong, you've been going to the gym and stuff. But 9 times out of the time, you're not gonna be able to do much. That's perfectly fine. Your tendons gotta get used to it. Your forearms gotta get used to it. It's a heavy sport on the forearms and your fingers. So your body's gotta get used to it. You're not gonna get everything at once. So just get used to that. Just keep coming, keep training, and you'll eventually start getting better and better. Tip number 6. When you're tired, just take a break. Just sit down, watch other people climb harder ones. Watch people climb the same one that you're climbing. It doesn't matter. Don't think that by watching somebody you're pushing yourself down. You're actually pushing yourself up because you're seeing better people than you accomplish better things. So when you're tired, please just take a break, sit down, just look at other people. Sorry. And lastly, tip number 7, just enjoy yourself, have some fun. This is one of the funnest sports that you'll ever be able to do. I've done soccer, I've done baseball, swimming. None of that stuff really compares to this. This is really, really fun. It's a really good workout. You'll burn a ton of calories and you'll feel really good. So please just have fun, enjoy yourself.
great people. It's really, really fun. I mean, just look at this stuff. Like, seriously. Enjoy yourself.